Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. I'm a familiar setting, so they're going to ask Arteta whether now this season Arsenal won't win the league like the way then they play, whether Arsenal be title contenders. So Arteta come back and talk say it is too early to talk about winning the EPL. You get, so now just 4 games you don't play because a lot of things will still go down for this season. So nobody they talk about and say at one point in this season everybody will suffer. It starts to enjoy back-to-back wins now. Time will come over, so we'll call the draw games, if we lose games, we will be like say things don't they work again. It is normal. It happens every season. Every top club they face up. Nobody say as they win like this and so they win. They go even the time where invisible happen. Arsenal we then do invisible. They still get times when they will draw back-to-back games or just they draw again. Though they no lose but they just they draw. Even Man City will be all Man City will win season. Then say get time we say they come back to the nothing they do, they lose games. You get Liverpool, see the way they start now, they don't suffer their own already. You get first 3 games and see as it go. Manchester United now, see as they go. Look at West Ham with the scattered things last season. First 3 games and see as it go for them. So now so it will always be. Even Tottenham Hotspur self, they know they enjoy themselves. Son don't play 4 games, never score 1 goal, which is unlike him. So that's why they be. Everybody they suffer. Look at Bukayo Saka. How many games he don't play now? How many goals he don't score? How many assists he don't do? That is what we are talking about. So Moko no they carry it away. Let's be humble, take it 1 game at a time, and at the end of the day, we'll see where it carries us to. But anything league, I don't know even the year and we get. It's like it's too far. It's too far away. We don't know the reason I'm at all. Even though myself, I do have the opinion say let's not get carried away. We're talking about league. Focus on your objective. Our objective is to break into the top 4. If we're going to get something bigger than the top 4, fine and good. But if not, know your objective and stand by it and fight for it. So let's see how things goes. Tavares don't come again, but why they bust my brain for the French Ligue 1. This guy don't score again yesterday for the game where they play against OG Nice. So Tavares scored 1 goal, then Alexis Sanchez also scored 1 goal. You know, say Marcel buy Sanchez from Milan, Inter Milan. So you don't go there. Incept scored 2 goals. Then Tavares can score 1 goal. Tavares just the wipe shots these days and they enter. I don't understand. Some people got the talk for comment section when I be posting yesterday say I like the Tavares they play when he don't score 3 goals in 4 matches. People got the talk say nah, I don't know how to manage and this and that. How can you even compare the pedigree of EPL and that of Ligue 1? They know they're the same kettle of fish at all. League 1 is quite easier than EPL. That is why it would be easy for you if you come up for EPL, you go there, go flourish. That place, how many competition did there? A lot of shit packers did there now, farmers, all those fishermen, they're plenty for that place. No will compare them with those who get there. That's why the guy go there, go develop, and that's what we want. We send our players to there, go and develop. After developing, you come back. Look at Tavares. Nobody talks say he know they good. But it still needs to develop, make you understand more football philosophy. At the end of the day, I'm seeing Arteta converting that guy to an attacker, maybe a winger, because the guy get one kind of explosive pace. You get one video I watched for Twitter yesterday. You see the way the guy carry people they run for that League 1. What's happen? Carry like 4 people run, he move. What's he build? They do that year for Tottenham Hotspur. So I kind of wonder maybe they will need to convert them. And at the same time, for the OG Nice, Pepe played first game. Pepe did woefully. He don't play very well. Even the coach said when they complain, say Pepe know the mark well, know the track back, his ball retention, his passing, his pressing. I didn't talk many things about Pepe. Say they good. Say and the reason Pepe say because Pepe did for Arsenal. Pepe never played for a very long time. He has been at Arsenal. He has not been playing. Talk many things about Pepe. So hopefully, and I hope say Pepe will improve. So it is very good. Even for that OG Nice, I think they have a Ramsey and they have a Pepe. Then for Marcel, they get Guendouzi, they get Tavares, they get Alexis Sanchez. Like obviously now Arsenal versus us. Well, they're very good. We are happy for Tavares. Zinchenko on this set to return to Manchester United game we will go play for the weekend. You see, this time around now, we don't play games thick and fast. We only play games every 4 days or thereabout now. On Wednesday, we will play Aston Villa. Therefore, weekend, I think on Sunday, we will come play Manchester United. And I don't see how everything they go. So now so it will be it's a tough game when they come ahead of us. So I never know how all these things they go. Let's just be watching. Because I just be proud of my boys. Maybe this guy come back from an injury. Partey own. I never know when Partey will come back because club physio. I see one video where they shoot about them for social media. We're going to talk say Partey and Zinchenko now a precaution. Don't be say the thing this serious. It was just a precaution. The doctor said, okay, maybe then keep them so that they will feel recover. Even against Aston Villa, I don't think we are going to see Zinchenko. Maybe Tierney will continue. Then you may not see Partey also. El Neni might continue. So at the end of the day, we'll see whether they will recover, because against that Manchester United, we know when man you will stop our 100% winning, because we expect to beat Aston Villa. Then when we meet a Manchester United, we'll make sure we give them back because themselves they see they recover. So we'll let them know as they go. The game where Arsenal play against Fulham, now be Arteta's 100th game in charge of Arsenal. So we're very, very happy. See how time flies again. Arteta don't play a 100th game already. And they're going to check the statistics of the first 100 games of managers who come for Arsenal. So they're going to say Arteta gets 53 wins. Behind Arsene Wenger will get 54 wins for the first 100 games. So Arsene Wenger take one win, they pass Arteta for the first 100 games. Then the third manager will come behind two of them, and be Graham Potter. And Graham Potter now around 49 wins. I say Graham Potter, George Graham now 49 wins, 9 in gets, which means Arteta is on the right track according to many pundits they talk about in Arsenal career. Because if in your first 100 games you are competing with an iconic coach, will be Arsene Wenger, we get 54 wins, you will get 53. Come on, it's still a good thing to do. So moving forward, Arteta gets people in say make them buy for him, they will buy him. So he know what the coach, the team wants, he know what the fans want, he know what the hierarchy wants. So now making help us to put things in proper perspective. And let's see what will end up this season. Gary Lineker self don't come outside when they talk about in football for the talk sports. So Baba talk say he don't understand why Real Madrid will sell Odegaard give Arsenal, when they know say people like Toni Kroos, people like Luka Modric, who they get for the middle of their pack, then they very, very old. Look at people like Casemiro now, they don't replace Casemiro with Chouameni and Camavinga. They get all those kind of, I watched that game yesterday when they play against Espanyol. Look at those two young defensive midfielders who they control things for the middle of the pack. But attacking wise, you still have a Luka Modric who is very, very old. They never get a successor for him. I still have a Toni Kroos. They never get a successor for that one also. So why would you sell an Odegaard? Look at what Odegaard is doing at Arsenal. He's a captain at 23 years old, carrying the game at the scruff of the neck. They control things. They give some kind of unbelievable passes, like pass where you know the see coming. Why would look like this? Throw a pass on the side. Like all his passes were accurate, creating key chances for his teammates to score. But you don't know why they can't sell him. Like they couldn't see the future, and that's what it be. Should be now because the guy not they play now. So that's now they don't the developer. And when you are playing with your fellow small boys, who all of now they talented, that's what it would be. So that their own loss be our own gain. So no louder one beg. Next one. At the same time, Fabrizio Romano self can't come outside for a podcast. So Baba the talk say Asensio don't they offered to English clubs. And don't forget say I be telling a talk say the Asensio and the teammates and the agents and the representatives say they don't set meeting with Arsenal representatives and they discuss where the guy will go at the end of the day. So Fabrizio when they reiterate the same thing, they talk say that they offer Asensio to EPL teams. Now only EPL teams in one meet. Now EPL in one go. You don't want to stay for La Liga, no go any other country. It is EPL. Asensio is a 26-year-old player. So as it day now, it don't be surplus requirement for Real Madrid. So we know say the only people they go for him now Arsenal and Man U. Well, for the since they go. Our BN Sports presenter, what they call Richard Keys, don't come as I call it slam Arteta and Arsenal. Call it talk say why Arsenal will beat Fulham when they over celebrate. Say this way Arsenal they celebrate against Fulham. Say it was over the top that they over celebrated, and this over celebration now evidence to show say Arsenal don't fall far behind. Like why would you beat an ordinary Fulham that just came from championship relegation, that came from the lower league to come to the senior league? You can't beat them. You're going to celebrate over the top. Why? I mean the $1 million question we Baba they ask, and many fans and pundits are like, when they slam the guy for social media, even in fellow pundits, because now for once BN Sports TV interview and they do the thing, even in fellow reporter will be De Jong, fellow presenter De Jong, when the slam at us say why you go to talk say Arsenal they over celebrate. See that one no make sense. You can see when was the last time where Arsenal win back to back games, their first 4 games? When was the last time when they win this kind of thing? We go make them go celebrate after they beat Fulham. Don't you see how tough the match was? How the mistake they make for the second half after the Bremogales made the mistake and everything happened. They call it equalized 8 minutes later. Just score 85 minutes goal. So why they not go celebrate? What is football without celebration? What is goal scoring without celebration? And when you can't score a late goal like that, say come on, it is worth something to celebrate. But me now, my own opinion say I don't understand what is this man they talk, guess. Because number one, last season we lost our first 3 games. They mock us. Say we no good enough, we did bad, this one, that. Now we don't win our first 4 games. They still they mock us. I don't understand what they ask now to all these people. They are still mocking us. Now talking about Fulham. This same Fulham, now them play Liverpool. They play 2-2. And they call themselves that small team that coming from Championship. This same Fulham, they played all their games last season. How many games they lose? This is like their 4th loss, the one we have to knock them. In so many games, they are not used to losing. They are used to winning. This same Fulham, now play Wolves. And Wolves no fit beat them. This same Fulham, what are you talking about? Because say we escape. I mean, if to say we can't draw now, people don't go talk anything. Why is it that when we celebrate, people will complain? That's how last season we celebrated against Wolves. They were complaining that Arsenal are over celebrating. I beg, make una leave us with our celebration. She celebration don't bad again. This man don't face many things. Even though he don't double down on him talk, they don't say, no, as a winger no go celebrate like that. But now as a winger they go down pushing come over that place. Yeah. Just the talk with it. I believe say the man was just the relevant. Just want to make people talk about. I mean, name trend. That's what I think. Because at the end of the day, now those who score goals they celebrate. I know say many people they envy our position, say we start very well, 100%, the only team with 100% record in the EPL. We did for the top of the table, even though we know the reason title or anything, but staying there for more than 1 week now, it vex some people. Well, when they see how things they go. Our Ben White self don't come outside on the talk say the way Arsenal they play now we see them they win, they get things done. It is because of our training mentality. The things we put in training, our training attitude is now being displayed in match days. You get say all the things we they see, most of them are things we they try for training. Some of the switching passes, switching roles, all those kinds of things. Then are things we they show for training. And he can talk say, you get one tactic where Arteta try against for the match against Fulham. If you notice, Saka play left back. You see when them put in Nketiah come spearhead the attack. They come play 9. Martinelli come go Saka wing. Jesus come go Martinelli wing. Saka come go play left back. They come come out Tierney for the match. You get? So Saka was playing left back, bombing forward. You see how they can switch everything. So all those things, that things they don't try for training. Plan A, Plan B, Plan C. They don't try all those things. If you watch when Nketiah enter, Nketiah come do the list. All those kind of sign language. Where I don't teach them. Say, almost see the information I want to do now. You don't already know what I mean now. Once you don't do a back. Everybody don't know where you go stay. Saka don't understand. So okay, I go left back. Why Jago there? Nketiah center forward. Jesus, or I go left. Martinelli go back to the right. Every can switch, and the CS in favor us. We can score our second goal. So now, so it will always be all those things that they do for training. And now what I tell at the talk. If I tell you something to do in the training, can you say now what you want to deploy? Make sure you deploy it. Don't go away from my instruction. And that's what's up, man. Our Jack Wilshere Arsenal under 18 team don't win Tottenham Hotspur 4-1. You know, say and Jack Wilshere now be the under 18 manager. So we've had the try for the team, and now in first match in his coaching career, and in debut, now we see them play and they come play 4-1. And before the match, we're back on enlist the services of Fabregas. Says Fabregas, former Arsenal player, can show the small boys Fabregas clip when they're very small, and Fabregas and the teammates have knack sports. So Fabregas self can do video call with the team. He can display up on screen. Everybody can watch him. If Fabregas want to inspire the boys, give them ginger, let them know how important it is to beat the sports side. You know, tell them 1 or 2. The boys can carry that ginger enter the field of play. And knock all these people like 4-1. You got one small boy they call Omari. I don't forget his second name, Omari. The guy's called Patrick. The guy they look like fire now under 18. He's an Arsenal prodigy. Well, wish them all the best of luck, and we wish Jack Wilshere all the best of luck. According to our monitoring spiritual, they call the mirror. So they can come outside, they let us know, say Marco Asensio, they very close to joining Arsenal than to join Manchester United. Why? No, say they don't offer Asensio to EPL teams, which is Manchester United and Arsenal. And now, breaking news over here yesterday, they say Manchester United has accepted a fee with Ajax for 100 million euros for Anthony. Yeah, Anthony is a winger. So if they are spending 100 million euros on Anthony, there is no way they'll come and be spending extra money on an Asensio, because Asensio, waiting they run from that to stay for Benjamin. You can't now be going to a place where you come and stay in more Benjamin. It don't make sense. So Arsenal will be saying don't lose Pepe. Arsenal will be the right place for him to come, which means he can play on Saka wing to uplift Saka and give Saka competition, because I never understand what this Saka they do this season. So the guy needs to be gingered up, scare him, give him scare tactics, bring one mad competition, can compare and Asensio don't win. How many times does Saka don't win for a career? Talking about Asensio, a serial winner who knows what it takes to win, like a Gabriel Jesus and Zinchenko. He has seen it all: Champions League, La Liga, Copa del Rey, World Club football. What do you want to talk about? He has seen it all. So let's see how things go. So if you don't watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy this new week and get out.